honored to welcome you all here at the Colegio de San Juan de Letran, Manaoag. Thank you for choosing Letran Manaoag as the second venue for the 10th Malikhaing Guro International Conference Caravan on Culture-Based Education. Once again, sa Pilipino po, tuloy po kayo sa Letran Manaoag.
And as we celebrate our 10th year, we aim to spark insightful conversations around those topics.
Let us learn more about ourselves, our province, and our country through this conference and through continuous development of knowledge, our acquisition of skills which we can share to others, our cultural engagements. So today, let us check our hearts and lead it to where it should belong. Balbalot yun, salamat yun si kayon amin. Maraming salamat po at magnayon tayo. Mabuhay po!
So we coming together is beginning. If we keeping together, we will progress. Please work together. You will success in your life.